We're going to take a look at a new concept now in sequences, and that is the sum to infinity. That is, if you were to add up all the numbers that just go on and on forever, if you can never get to that forever, which we call infinity, what would that value be? What would the sum be to infinity? Actually quite an easy formula to learn here. So to work out the sum to infinity, it's always going to be a, your first term, divided by 1 minus your r. Okay, so what is your a value in this question? Your a value is the first term, which is 5 over 10. And what's your r? Well, your r would be t2, 5 divided by 100, all over t1, 5 over 10. So you can invert and multiply. 5 over 100, multiply that by the 5 over 10 flips to 10 over 5. So what happens now is that your 5's cancel, and you've got 10 goes into itself once, and then to 110 times. So your r is 1 over 10. You can double check that with this one. 5 over 1,000 would then be divided by 5 over 100. So that will become 5 over 1,000 multiplied by 100 over 5. 5's cancel again. 100 goes once into 1,000 10 times. So your r is definitely equal to 1 over 10. How do we work out sum to infinity? Sum to infinity is your a, 5 over 10. All divided by 1 minus your r, which is 1 over 10. So that gives you 5 over 10 divided by, well, 1 is 10 over 10, minus 1 over 10 is 9 over 10. So now we can flip it, 5 over 10, let's multiply it by 10 over 9. The 10's cancel, so the sum to infinity would be 5 over 9. So really straightforward, sum to infinity is the a divided by 1 minus r. If you know your a, easy. If you're finding your r, it's t2 over t1 or t3 over t2.